number, middle number, after it is organized in ascending order from the smallest to the biggest. So let's do that. There's the order 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So what's the middle number? Let's find it. We cross from the ends, 1 at the end, opposite ends, 2, 2, and the middle number is 6. So our median is 6. Question number 3 with several parts. It says a box plot shows the scores of 2 classes. Circle a statement that is true and tell why. So we'll go through all these statements and find out what is true based on the box plot. Please note that the line at the boys here is a minimum value. The one at the top here is its maximum value. This is Q1, which is a quarter of the data for the boys. This is Q3, which is 3/4. This is the median, which is the middle, which is half of the data. The same for the girls, minimum, maximum, Q1, Q3, and Q2. Let's observe carefully to find the truth. Which of these are true? The girls are taller on average. No, the boys are taller because their heights are here. All right, number 2. The boys are taller on average. Number 3, so that is correct. Number 3, the girls show less spread in height. The spread is how long the bars are or where it starts. So from the minimum, which is there, that is about 134 to 185 or 178. While for the boys, it's at 137 to 186. So the boys' spread is more. The height of the girls' spread is. So yes, that's correct. The boys' spread is less. That is incorrect. These are incorrect. The shortest person is a girl. Yes, there it is. The lowest line for the girls. Okay, that's correct. Next, the tallest person is a boy. Yes, there it is. It's above 185, which is about 186. That's correct. Number 7, both data sets are skewed to the left. No, they're to the right, so that's not correct. Half the boys are over 172 centimeters. Half is in the middle, so let's see, half is right here, above 172, that's correct. Half the girls are, next one, half the girls are under 165. No, here's a halfway for the girls, and they are just above 65. So this is incorrect. The reasons for these answers would have checked out on the diagram above. Section C. Show all work 3 to 4 points. Steps must be shown. Section C, solving. A rectangular prism has a length of 8 inches, a width of 6, and a height of 4. What is its volume? Label the rectangular prism means that you must label the length, the width, and the height. There we have it. The longest side on the ground is 8 inches, as it says. The shortest side on the ground is 6 inches, and the height is 4 inches. Section B, calculate the volume. Remember, volume equals length times width times height. There it is. So the length is 8, the width is 6, and the height is 4. 6 eighths. 48, and then 4 times 48 equals 192 inches, IN for it, cube, because it's 3 things being multiplied, and it's a 3D figure. Question number 2, section C. A data set has the following values of 18, 12, 20, 10, 15. What is the range of the data set? Range is the distance between the lowest number and the highest number. This is how it's calculated. Highest number written down first, which is 20, minus the lowest number. In this case, it is 10. 10 minus 20 is 10. So the range is 10. Question number 3, section C. A trapezoid has bases of length 10, 15, and height 6. What is the area of the trapezoid? Draw and label the trapezoid. So here is the trapezoid being drawn. So B1, the length basis 10, B2, which is the longer, and then the height being 6. There it is. Then we calculate the area of the trapezoid. The area of trapezoid is B1 plus B2 divided by 2 multiplied by the height. Let's do it. This gave us 10 plus 15 divided by 2, 25. When you add, then divide by 2, multiplied by 6. Divide 25 by 2, you get 12.5 multiplied by 6, 75 centimeters square. Section D. Section D, application, question number 1. Show your work. A water tank has a length of 10 feet, a width of 8 feet, and a height of 6 feet. If the tank is filled with water, what is its volume of the water in cubic feet? Draw a tank, 1 point, then calculate the volume of the tank. Section A, this is what the tank looks like. The 10 feet length, 8 width, and the height 6. Let's calculate it. The volume by multiplying the length times width times height. There we have it. Length times width times height. 8 times 10 times 8 times 6. This 8 times 10 is 80 times 6 is 480 feet cubed.